Hello, everybody. Wolfang here. Today is Saturday, January 25th. Nice sunny day, 36 degrees. It's a heat wave. They said we would get close to 40. So, I don't know. We'll see. But next week, man, it's going to be warm. So, yesterday in my video, I brought up that there's a planetary thing going on. It sounds like the rest of this month into February. So I'll share that here in a minute. There was another article that I saw. Keep an eye on your egg prices. This bird flu, they've killed over 1 million chickens, and here in Ohio, I was looking at the article. So it's this is going on. It's going to affect the price of chicken and your eggs, and probably anything that has any type of an egg product in it. That here in Ohio, and a couple other chicken farms, I guess. But we hear this every year. I don't know. It's definitely not going away because we hear about the crap all the time. So yeah, keep if you're wondering why your egg price is going up, that's why. And you can look it up. So the article I'm going to share says, look up for January's Parade of Planets. Stargazers are in for a treat. The next few weeks is a parade of planets marches across the night sky. The January planetary alignment includes Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Venus, all visible to the naked eye at the same time. Neptune and Uranus will be there too, but they won't be shining brightly like the others. Oh. And it says what to know. Planets, including Earth, orbit around the sun in a line called the ecliptic. But what we see in the night sky changes as we move through space. This multi-planet viewing opportunities aren't super rare, but they don't happen every year. So it's worth checking it out, according to NASA's January night sky notes. The best viewing for the January's planetary parade is about 90 minutes after sunset, in as dark and clear as a spot you can find. Use binoculars or a telescope for an even better look. The alignment will be visible into February. So I guess that's the way. There's a picture of how the planets are lining up or doing their parade. Then it says Pamela Gay, senior scientist with the Planetary Science Institute, tells us this combination of getting everything within the sky at the same time is the real challenge for night sky watchers. Most of the time, you have to go outside, well, yeah, and wait for something to rise. Right now, they're all there at the same time. While they're closest in late January, this alignment is going to take time to fall apart. And this means that if you go out night after what? And this means that if you go out night after night, you're going to see where Venus and Saturn are next to each other, slowly changing as they drift apart. And as you watch, you can actually see the slight changes in all the planets' positions. Okay. We're all just worlds attached to a ring going around and around the sun. And because all those rings are lined up in the same plane on the sky, we get to see things chase each other around and sometimes fill the sky all at once. Why winter is a great time for stargazing. The night sky changes with the seasons. In winter, cold air holds less moisture, which can make for a clearer viewing. When the sky is still, the jet stream isn't there. When the temperatures, as you go from ground level to higher and higher, don't vary too much. All these things align to make quiet skies that make it easier to see, Gay said. So while there is a certain degree of suffering that occurs to those of us that go out and stand next to our telescopes in the cold winter, the images really make it worth it. Just make sure to dress appropriately for the weather and never let cold metal equipment come in contact with your bare skin. Don't lick the flagpole in the wintertime. We'll see another planetary alignment in February. So there you go. For anybody that's into the stars and planetary stuff like that, and if you got a telescope, it'd be cool to have a telescope. Go out and check it out. When I was growing up, there was a kid that lived up the street from us that had a really cool telescope. He had the filters so you could look at the sun and all that crap. It was pretty cool. So anyway, I thought I would share what's going on in the skies. And I guess it'll run until, I don't know, a couple weeks into February maybe. So, but anyway, I thought I would share that. I hope everybody has a great Saturday and a great weekend. If the sun is out and you have blue skies, go outside and enjoy it. I went out and did my chores earlier. So I'm looking at our window. I might have to clean our window. So I don't know. Everybody have a great weekend. This is Wolfgang. Blessed be, stay safe, and I will bullshit with y'all later. Bye.